Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am doing yet another cleaning video. Let me know if you're enjoying these because at the moment I've been so busy and I've been obsessed with getting my house clean. So that's just what I've been filming lately, and I'm honestly, I feel a bit like I'm kind of on a roll with it, you know? So yeah, I'm really enjoying this. So let me know in a comment down below if you're enjoying them and if there's any particular room that you would prefer to see me clean. Also, if you guys didn't know, I think a few of you might, but Ash and I are actually moving house in 2 weeks. So get ready for some moving videos and just packing, and then definitely a house tour. Very excited for that. I can't wait to move into this new house. How do you like my sign too? I did that the other day. Also, alright, so this video is a collaboration with two lovely ladies. So the first one lives in the United States. Her channel is Love Laugh Clean. She is just so lovely. I've been talking to her for quite a while now and I think we've become friends. So I would love if you could go over to her channel and make sure that you give her a big thumbs up and subscribe. And the other one is the channel Cleaning with Carissa. Now, this lovely lady is Australian like me. So I've talked to her a bit too, and the three of us have decided to do a collaboration together. So hopefully we can all grow our channels and stay really good friends. So make sure to go over and subscribe to Carissa and give her a thumbs up as well. So here I am just unloading my dishwasher. As you can see, my kitchen was in a bit of a mess. I tried to leave it a few days to let it accumulate a bit so that I had a bit more of a difference to show you. But in no way am I saying that my house is always clean. Honestly, I struggle to keep my house clean and I'm not afraid to admit that. But I am definitely going to try harder, especially when we move into this new house. Oh, I'm so excited. I can't wait to move into it. This house that we're in now, like, as appreciative as I am to have a roof over my head, we've been here for 6 months and it's just never felt like home. So Ash and I had been looking around and we finally found a place. We went and looked at it and yeah, I was just manifesting it. I was just like praying and praying, like, Ash, please, please, please. Like, I got him to check it like every hour. Like, have you been emailed? Did they email you? And he's like, no, not yet. And then I think it was about after maybe 3 days, they approved us. And it's actually really good in the way that when we went to have a look at it, the landlord was quite nice. And then when she contacted us to let us know that we got it, our lease at this place runs out like in the first week of April, and the place that we're moving into is it was going to be available mid-March, so it's probably available like right now. So because of that, we didn't want our rent to overlap and have to pay like $2,000 because honestly, we can't afford to just put money to waste like that. So Ash just mentioned to her, hey, would it be okay if our preferred move date is the 30th of March? And she was like, you know what? Yeah, that's fine. I would rather have like genuine tenants like you guys and like have it be like not rented out for 2 weeks. So, you know, we were like really touched by that. That was really lovely of her. Yeah, so that's everything caught up, I guess. We're moving. I've got a lot of packing to do. I'm going to be doing a lot more videos on packing and stuff like that. And then once we get into the new house, oh my gosh, I am going to be cleaning it all the freaking time. I'm so keen. I'm so excited. It's so pretty. It's a 3-story townhouse. So I'm just really excited for you all to see it and to start filming some cleaning videos in there too. As a lot of you would know as well, at the moment I am not working. I am purely earning money from cleaning the Airbnb and also doing a bit of Uber Eats. So this isn't really something that I'd like to admit on camera, but I do struggle with a lot of anxiety. So I am just really struggling to work for an employer at the moment because if you've seen my how to handle anxiety video, it's got lots of tips in it. You'll know that as soon as someone like puts me down or yells at me, I just cry, and that is something that Ash and I are trying to work on. So I'm just I don't have like a part-time job or a full-time job at the moment, but yeah, like for me money is tight, but I hurt my hands on the handle, they're quite sharp. But yeah, for me money is a bit tight at the moment, but I would rather that and not be yelled at. So doing YouTube like this is kind of a hobby, but at the same time I'm really wanting to get it monetized so that I can just have a little bit more money coming in, and it just makes life a little bit easier. And especially with moving, there's a lot of extra costs in that, like having to pay for a moving truck and for movers and stuff like that, because a lot of our furniture is really heavy. So we've tried to do it before, and yeah, like it's just too much. And with this house we are doing the bond clean on it as well, because we just don't want to have to pay for a bond cleaner. We could use that money to put into like a holiday at the end of the year or something, instead of, you know, we may as well just do it ourselves and save the money. So that's what we're doing. If you guys would like me to do a video bond cleaning this house, like I can try and have the camera follow me around just like a normal cleaning video. And yeah, just let me know down. Oh, sorry, it's literally just started raining, so sorry if you can hear that in the background. Let me know if you guys would like to see a video on doing the bond clean, because I will try and capture as much footage as I can. So just leave me a comment down below. And also, if you have any tips for bond cleaning, let me know. We bond cleaned the old house, and it kind of sucked because we had to keep going back up all the way to Ipswich from the Gold Coast, because they kept calling us back because there was just things that were like not clean enough. And you guys know me, like, you know, from my cleaning videos that I'm quite thorough, and I would even go as far to say that I'm OCD. I don't know. I'm definitely not diagnosed, but if anything, I'm definitely a germaphobe. So if something's not clean, like if I'm gonna clean something, I'm gonna do it thoroughly, you know? So yeah, we just got called back up so many times. It was really frustrating. But that was just because we had never done a bond clean before, and there was things like we didn't know that you had to take the windows out of the sills and clean all the windows, and then inside the racks as well. It was like that sort of thing. And then I had deep scrubbed that oven, and like it was literally a matter of I didn't use the right products. So there was just like one or two things where we didn't use like strong enough chemicals on it. So yeah, but this time we know everything that we need to use. And honestly, this house that we've moved into 6 months ago, well, apartment really, wasn't even like that clean when we moved into it. So I don't think it's gonna be as big of a deal this time, but yes, we will try our best. And then once we move into this new house, I am looking forward to not having to move again for a while. So as you can see, I've just been pottering around the kitchen, and here I'm just showing you how I like to tie my bin bags. So it's pretty easy. You know how the bags kind of just come out of the bin? I just twist them in a certain way, and then that way I keep it tight, and then I put them back in the bin, and that works for me. Also, I learned from another YouTuber. She is a British YouTuber called Laura Gemma Meacham. I've gotten quite a few tips and tricks off her. I really love her channel. She actually like puts a product called Zoflora onto a bit of paper towel and drops it into the bottom of her bin, and then she also puts these little bead, like scent bead things. It sucks because you can't get them in Australia. Called I think they're called Lenore Unstoppables, and she puts those into the bottom of her bin as well, and it just makes it smell amazing. So another thing is I'm really annoyed because yes, Australia does have a lot of cleaning products, but I feel like we're so secluded from the rest of the world and we just can't get anything that, you know, YouTubers in America or just like the United States and Canada and the UK and stuff use. We can't get it and it's so frustrating to me. Oh damn, look at that double chin. I'm just showing you the mirror. I only bought that the other day and it, yeah, kind of has marks, like little speckles all over it and I can't get them off even with the Windex. But yeah, anyway, I digress. There's a lot of stuff that we can't get from other countries, like we can't get it in Australia, or you have to order it from Amazon and then pay like a crap load in shipping. So yeah, if you are in Australia, I would love if you would leave me a comment down below letting me know what your favorite cleaning products are from Australian stores. And if you are from the US or Canada or England, let me know what you use and if you have any suggestions on how I can get some of those products cheaper. So like UK, for example, Zoflora. I don't think you can get the pink stuff in Australia, but I would be so keen to try that. There's quite a few other things, especially in the US, like Mrs. Meyer's. I wish that Grove Collaborative shipped to Australia, but unfortunately it doesn't. What else is there? There's Mrs. Meyer's. Really just anything that smells like autumnal or fall scented. This pumpkin stuff. Pumpkin stuff I love. And here in Australia, we're actually coming into fall time now, but yeah, it's obviously because we're in the Southern Hemisphere, it's the opposite. So yeah, I can't actually get it unless I order it in springtime here, which is autumn in the Northern Hemisphere. Do you see the predicament that I'm in? Yeah, not that I am appreciative. I just really wish that, yeah, you know, I honestly think that I should have been born in somewhere in the Northern Hemisphere. And same with the like age that I was born in. Like I don't feel like I should have been born in 1999. I feel like I should have been born in like 1949 or 1959 or something like that, because I am honestly obsessed with being a housewife. I love it. It just makes me so happy. I'm happy to not be working for an employer apart from Ash, who is my partner, and he runs his own business. I'll link it down below. It's called Aced Finance. If you need anything to do with loans or money, he can help you out. Just a extra little thing that I should probably add in. And yeah, it's great. I really love it. The only thing I have to worry about really is money, and that just, you know, makes me work a lot harder. So yeah, it's good. Again, if you would like to subscribe to my channel, I would really, really appreciate it. You know, every little bit helps. I really feel like I'm so far off from being monetized. Sorry, that's just my phone, ignore that. And yeah, it would really, really help, and I really love having this as my hobby. So really that is all I have for this video. Again, if you would like to subscribe to my channel, I would really, really appreciate it. Every little bit helps. And let me know down in the comments what cleaning products you like and what you would like to see in the next month or so for videos. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for the next one. Bye guys.